Hi, we're the Lost Ones, just your average group of friends who travel together as often as we can afford while trying to cross things off our bucket list.
We started this vlog to capture our adventures, good times, and foodie moments to look back on when we grow old. We hope to inspire others, meet cool people, and try new foods along the way.
This episode takes us to London, where we attempt to see all of the sights on foot.
So if it wasn't enough to just be wandering around, we find ourselves right here in front of St. Paul's Cathedral, and literally there's just hundreds of Packers fans. So I don't know what the odds are of that, but that was hilarious.
Talking to a lady that works here. She thought I was from Germany. I was like, good guess, but the States.
Was she disappointed?
Like, oh. Yeah.
Hey, good job. You pass as a German.
I should have just said yeah.
She starts like talking to you in German.
Deutschland.
We stopped at M&S for a quick breakfast, and then we walked over to St. Clement's Cathedral to start the second Rick Steves audio tour that we're doing. We've come to really enjoy these audio tours.
Yeah, for sure. They're very informational, and you also just get to walk the city with kind of your own tour guide right in your ear, you know? It's super cool.
That's why we have these in. So it's nice because a good portion of the audio tour, you just follow the instructions. They tell you exactly where to go. So you don't even have to plan that portion of your day. You get to see a lot and learn the history of the city, the sights, and a lot of the details, historically accurate details too, which are really cool. He explains it in such a way that it's pretty compelling.
Been a lot of fun. I like everything he has to say. He explains it really well. I've been enjoying it.
So this tour will complete at the London Bridge, and then after that we're gonna head to the Borough Market to get some lunch, and then we're gonna meet everyone at Belushi's, which there's going to be a game day kind of pep rally going on there. After that we are gonna head to this graffiti tunnel, which is really cool. We're all about street art and art in general.
You excited?
Yeah, it's been a good day.
I'm excited.
We still have the rest of the day to
Yes.
go. I mean, it's only, what time is it right now?
Noon, like on the dot.
Oh wow, nice. Let's finish the tour.
Let's go. really interesting because right off of like the main streets are these little like side streets, side alleyways. There's offices, apartments, little shops sometimes, which is really cool because you'll find a little random like coffee shop in the middle of
a hallway. It's been actually really cool to kind of just walk down the busy road and just be like, what's over there? What's over there? So I like it's cool in little like hidden areas.
Started all the way over here and made our way all the way here. Crossed the bridge, now we are here. We met up with my sister Claudia and her fiance Adrian for lunch. This is awesome! There's nothing more impressive than an open air market that still manages to hold a concentrated aroma of food. With over 100 vendors, many of them have a specialty, something that they just do really well, and that in turn creates an even more difficult decision for any visitor to the Borough Market, where to start. After meandering and weaving, we stopped at Arabica. We flirted with their displays of fresh baklava, but it was the vertical rotisserie, its sizzling meat stacked and roasting, that captured our heart. Pitas, covered in juices, then seared. I wanted to marry and have chunky, well-seasoned chicken shawarma babies with this thing.
Nice. I bet you this thing is going to be insane.
There's a contrast, the meat, which is like nice and hot and juicy, and fresh veggies, and then there's like sauce and pickles on it. Serving up beer at the Borough Market. Cheers.
This is not a sausage roll. I have never.
That's a heavy guy. Wow. How heavy is it?
I mean, it's not light.
Oh my god. It's so good. It's savory. It's seasoned very well. The dough is like nice and flaky and crusty.
That's good. Sausage roll, it's the way to go.
Welcome to the back of the line.
Dude, it is long. Who's from Wisconsin? There should be a Wisconsin line.
I feel like you can't do that. You gotta.
I thought it was super tight. I didn't know what to expect, but it was huge, you know, and it really was like a massive tunnel.
Yeah. I think it for like something that's not really touristy, it's worth a stop if you're looking for something a little bit more like off the beaten path. Like, I don't think that there was a lot of tourists in there. And it's a really cool spot. It wasn't unsafe at all. Like, I feel like if you're gonna go to a place called like Graffiti Alley or Graffiti Tunnel, you're thinking it's literally gonna be, I thought it was gonna be just some shady alley, but it's actually a really nice area. There's like bars and stuff and restaurants, and it's like a public pathway, so there's a lot of people walking around in there. So I recommend it. I think this was one of my favorite stops. I'm really glad we came.
Yeah.
We almost skipped it, but I'm glad that we didn't.
We really did.
Yeah.
I'm really happy we didn't. I totally would come back in a heartbeat.
We're all the way over here, and we were just all the way over there.